Hey guys, how you doing? Got another one of my McCullochs out here. This is a 10 series. I'm on a little bit of a kick right now with these things. McCulloch Pro 1010 automatic. I believe this is the bigger 57, 58 cc version. This thing's a sweet runner. It's just, ever since I got it, I've had it for a few years and it just fires right up. It runs really good. I'm gonna get a video of it, you know, cutting here. I just wanted to get it out, dust it off. There goes the cows. And, you know, run the cobwebs out of it. It's been a while since I ran it, and it's a fun saw to run. So we'll have a video of that, hopefully running and cutting here soon within the next few days or whatever. You know, work gets in the way, all this fun stuff. So but anyway, there it is. Pretty good shape. I'd say actually really good shape. So I'm happy with it. And originally this did have a brake on the side. I threw it on another saw. I just threw this side cover on here for now. And I got the 28 on it with the full chain. We'll see how that cuts. But yeah, look for a video soon. Thanks for watching.